Where's that Ruby hiding? Where's that Ruby hiding? Hey, where's she gone now? Where's she gone? I'm still eating that biscuit. Oh, there she is. There she is. There she is. This way! How's it going, guys? It's Friday! Come on, Juno. It's Friday, boy. You know what that means? You know what that means, right? Treat day. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 Border Terriers, 2 Christmas jumpers, and a pack full of Christmas glee. I'm Stephen. Thanks very much for watching. I'm going to show you our dog walk today. Take you through all the Christmas joy on Friday the 10th of December. We're having good fun so far. Fun like that. Stay with us. Maggie, how come you're not in the Christmas spirit? Yeah, we need to get you something, a collar or some tinsel or something, I think. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, won't we? Yes, we will. Yes, I know, I see you. I see you. What is going on? What is going on? Yes, I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. What's happening, Charlie? What's happening, buddy? Something's got your attention. You alright, Mackers? Yeah. You got an itch? You got an itch, don't you? You got an itch? Did you guys? Good. We need to do an introduction. I think it'll help for the Border Terriers, right? What do you think, Maggie? What do you think? Yes. Intro. Everyone knows Maggie. Hello, Steve. And we've got Alfie, Biscuit, Elsa, Barney in a fetching Christmas jumper, JUNO in her flashing Christmas collar. Who have we not seen? Charlie, he's also got a Christmas jumper on. And Ruby. Ruby. Elsa, Biscuit, Barney, JUNO, Alfie, Charlie, Maggie, and Ruby. Good. Right, we've been getting the gang to climb. So, will we use these logs? Yeah, go on then. Up on Barney. Good. Who's going up? Who's going up? Charlie. Good. Well done, you guys. Elsa, you not going up? Oh, well done, everyone. Elsa, up you get. Good, JUNO. Maggie, you going up? Where's that Ruby gone? We've lost her again. We've lost her again. Alfie barking. He's stuck. What is it, bud? What is it? He wants us to go down. He wants us to go down. What are you wanting? Just a play? No, it's definitely something he wants us to see. Maggie, can you make this? Will we go this way? Come on, we'll go this way and go down. Good girl. Good girl. Let's see what he's barking for. Enjoying that. That'll be a melt ice water, guys. Yes, it will. It'll be nice and clean. Yes. Look at the weather, Biscuit. It's amazing. It's amazing. I love that banner so much. They're all looking amazing, guys. What an amazing day. It is just glorious. I cannot wait for summer if this is what winter is going to be like. Dogs are having great fun. Hi. Are we friends again? I forgot to get Alfie on Tuesday. But it seems like you're forgiving me, buddy, eh? You're getting some nice cheese coming into your house for that. Yes, you are. I hope you get some. Come on then. Hey guys, what an incredible end to the week with the little guys. We've had such an amazing walk today. Thank you so much for watching today and all through the week. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next walk, which I think will be on Tuesday. I'm taking a well-earned day off on Monday and maybe speak to you about what I do on Tuesday. Have a good weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.